Hey guys! It's been so long since I've created a video. It's been like 6 months. That's a long time. A lot has happened. I started an online accessory shop called Nama the Brand, and it's all about my favorite hair accessories and earrings and that kind of stuff. So I thought today I would share a few of my favorite clips and different hairstyles that I create, and all these clips are from the store, so I hope you like them. So my first clips are my blush rectangle slides, and yeah, don't do that. I'm an idiot. But hair accessories are so hot right now, guys. But really, like, they just make a simple hairstyle look super cute. And this first one is a style I wear all the time, and all I do is part it in the middle, put the hair behind my ears, and then clip these slides on both sides, and that's it. That's all I do. These clips are definitely a nod to the 90s, and I'm living for them, and I hope they don't go anywhere for a long time. This is another hairstyle I wear all the time, and it uses my triple threat trio, and I call it that because these 3 pearl bobby pins together are fire to me. I love them. I feel like pearls are so versatile. They'll go with literally every outfit, dressed up, dressed down, whatever. They're gonna look cute no matter what, and it's really on trend right now, so definitely one of my favorites, and I wear it all the time too. This next hairstyle is a lifesaver to me, and anybody with short hair or mid-length hair knows exactly what I'm talking about. This hairstyle is all about having your hair up in a high bun or a high ponytail, and it's kind of impossible when you have short hair or mid-length hair because you have all those pieces fall down at the bottom, and it's so annoying, and then you put like these ugly little bobby pins in, and it just kind of looks messy. What I do is I create a top bun, and then I use these guys right here. You can use any larger clips, and this hairstyle will still look cute, but these are my funfetti side sets. And what I do is I start by twisting the back hair and trying to get all those little hairs in, and then I just take the clips and I start clipping them to my head and securing those pieces, because these clips will really hold those hairs in. Unlike bobby pins, when you don't do it right, like little pieces will fall out throughout the day. These last, and it looks purposeful, like it looks really cute. So it just looks like it's part of the hairstyle. I love it. This hairstyle is a half updo, and with this look, I'll be sharing how I hide elastics with my clips. I start by leaving 2 bangs out in the front because I just like that look. And then I grab 2 pieces on both sides and attach them in the back with my trusty black elastic. So I just tie those 2 together, and then I do a little flip, and I just kind of grab at the little strands and pull it apart just a tiny bit so it becomes a little looser. Then I go like an inch or 2 lower, and I do the exact same thing, grabbing 2 strands, tying them, flipping them, pulling them apart a little bit, and that's it. And no, I'm not scratching my head. This is just my way of kind of lifting my hair a little bit and creating a bit more volume. These are my gold foil sets, and I just think they're really pretty. The gold in them, love it. So all I'm doing is just putting them over top of the elastic. I kind of did a poor job in the middle one there. You can still see the elastic, but I tried, okay. It's kind of like a distraction. And I'm a little extra, so you know what? I went, F it, I'm gonna do another one. So grabbing 2 strands on both sides, gonna do the exact same thing. Now I got 3. And it's just like a little bit more funky. My casual head sway and my casual dance, I think. So for this look, instead of using elastics, I use clips. Sometimes I just want my hair out of my face, so I just grab a piece at the very front and clip it back using my clip. This one is the Raven rectangle slides, and I don't just have 1 clip, I have 2. Oh, no, I don't just have 2, I have 3. Not always, but you know, today just feels like 3. All about those 3s today, what's going on? Is that a good number? No, it's bad, isn't it? Actually, I don't even know what numbers mean. Okay, I'm breaking the pattern of 3s and going with 2 clips for this look. And these are my pearl snap clips, and they're really popular right now. Just because they're so pretty, and like the other pearl clips, they go with everything and they look super cute. So I'm wearing 2 on one side, and that's about it. Simple. Okay, this look is more of like a funky look, and it's kind of more geared towards like festivals and that kind of stuff. I would totally wear this look to a festival. So I start by parting my hair to the side, and then grabbing this side, I flatten it and I grab it all together at the very end, secure it with an elastic. So the reason why I do this is because I want those hairs to be really secure and together, because it's going to be hiding underneath the rest of my hair. So I feel like this is just like a better way to do that. These are my block snap clips. They're so funky. I love the colors. I called them grape, papaya, and avocado. And what you do is you literally just like slide them on and press down and it snaps. So I'm just kind of creating another pattern of 3 colors. Come on, what is with me in 3? I don't know. But I'm just going all the way down that flattened side, creating my own little personal sidewalk, a little colorful sidewalk. I love it. So you can kind of see how this is more of like a festival look, but you know, if you want to rock it on the everyday, do it. I probably would actually. So this look is so 90s and I am just feeling super nostalgic with this look. So I'm using my tortoise teardrop slides and I'm just kind of like placing them about 1.5 inches away from my part. And if you thought I was just gonna leave it there, well, you are wrong. I'm using my tortoise rectangle slides now. In my mind, it's like more the merrier. Just how I live. This is my like lazy but still cute look, you know? So it's literally just like a low bun with my black scrunchie. And then I'm taking these 2 clips, which are currently sold out and I don't think I'm gonna restock them, but they're like my red pearl ones. And I just place them in the back for like, you know, some color and some life and some shine and just cuteness, maybe? Oh, you guys want another lazy simple look? Okay, sure, here it is. It's another low bun. And this time all I'm doing is taking a pretty clip and just placing it right above the bun. If you have like a level 1 bun, this will bring it up to like a level 3. For this look, I'm dressing up my low bun with the middle part using my Sherbert Snap Trio. The shades of these clips are filling me up with some sort of like summery happiness. Ugh, love it. Those are 11 ways that I like to style my hair using the currently oh so popular hair accessories. And of course, you can use any hair clips with these looks. I just have a boatload of Nama the brand hair clips because that is my little shop. So it kind of makes sense. But thank you for watching, and I hope you got a little bit of inspiration on how to rock this hot new trend. I'm going to be uploading videos a bit more frequently now, so definitely stay tuned because we got some good things coming up. Bye guys, see you soon.